Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the screen brightness on your 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and adjust the screen brightness because at nighttime it's too bright. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the setup button located right over here. Next, click on display. And then from here, you could actually see that there's a way to adjust your screen brightness. So go ahead and adjust the screen brightness in that way. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and adjust your screen brightness on the 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe. You could also adjust the camera settings or the blue light filter as well. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.